always encourage my students to clean their pieces frequently while they're constructing it. I have this little earring here, and I have a soft bristle brass brush, not to be confused with the hard, stiff brass brush bristles that you find in home improvement stores and welding shops and things of that nature. This is very, very soft, tiny little fine brass fibers. Just a drop of Blue Dawn dish soap and some good scrubbing, and the metal bristles will burnish your piece. Cleaning it thoroughly and giving it a shine. Now, before polishing, I always have my students clean, because even though this piece may have been pickled, there may be a little bit of residue here and there that we've missed. We'll clean it, we'll burnish it, and then it'll be much, much easier to bring to a high shine. Beautiful.